Hello, and welcome to another feature release video from Atomic Financial. I'm Trey Botard, a developer advocate here at Atomic. Today we're going to take a look at a new area of the webhooks section on the tasks detail page for unsent events. To show how to take advantage of this new functionality, we'll take a look at what's new on the task detail page, jump into the emulator and send a test task through to see the data that is sent to the endpoints that I have configured, and then take a look at how to subscribe to events you may be missing out on. So to begin, we'll start here on the task page, and we'll see that I have my list of verified tasks that have gone through my system, a few deposit tasks, but I can go in and view this task, scroll down to the webhook events section, and see this sent events. So these were events that were successfully sent to my webhook endpoint, but now there's a new section for unsent events. This section is useful to highlight any events which were not successfully sent to your webhook endpoints so that you can go to the configuration in console and listen for these events to receive that data in your backend system. Okay, so first let's go to the emulator and send a task through to see what the data looks like that's coming through. We'll select a verified task, connect, just select ADP as a test task. We'll just use the test credentials, which will mock a successful authentication for the user through the payroll system. And just like in your application, all tasks that are run through Atomic using your API keys and secrets will show up in your task list here. So for the environment that's configured, whether that's in Sandbox or in production, you'll be able to see your tasks going through. Again, whether that's in your application, whether in local development, or any of your lower environments, or in production, you can see those tasks in the appropriate Atomic environment. So let's take a look at this task that just ran. We'll view the task, go down to webhook events, and we'll see that we did not get the income updated event. So using this link in the alert here, we can go straight to the webhooks page and listen for this event. In the endpoint configured, I'm using a webhook test site to listen to my endpoints. We will go in. Let's listen for both of the income webhooks. We'll go back to the emulator. Run a verified task just like we did before through ADP, test good credentials. And once this connects, we'll jump back over to the task page and take a look at our events. Okay, that's successfully completed. So we'll go back to the task page. We just ran this new verified task. And if we scroll down, we'll see that the sent events, we received a webhook for income updated, in addition to the other webhooks which were sent out for this particular task. We still did not listen for the task authentication status, but it should be relatively simple to add that to our list of webhooks which we're listening for on that particular endpoint. So that's an overview of the new functionality we've added for making it a little easier to listen into events that are sent out to your system and plug into data that could be accessible to provide value for your end users. Let us know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you very much.